Passive income using trading bots via Binance or KuCoin. Designed to make profits even in a bear market. Those are the words from a guy who contacted me via email in late April 2022. It was kind of too good to be true, but I gave it a shot and attended a couple of Zoom calls the company offers. They actually offer more than 25 Zoom calls every single week in 6 different languages. And after those meetings and getting in touch with the executive team and the CEO, who personally explained how the bot worked, I was hooked up and started my journey on 27th of June 2022. Fast forward 7 months, I now have more than $20,000 invested into this trading bot, and it's making me a good amount of profit each and every month. Why I'm using more than $20,000 to trade using this trading bot option, I'm going to show you right now. Before we're getting started, guys, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. We're in the crypto market, so crypto is a very volatile investment itself, and also past results are not an indicator for future profits. Obviously, I made a decent chunk of money using this trading bot, more than 25% in the last 6.5 months. But using trading bots, we always rely on market movement. So in case we rapidly go down in price with a certain coin, and let's say like Luna lose 99% in a matter of 2 days, there is no trading bot was able to deliver in those kind of circumstances. Why am I so comfortable trading $20,000 with this trading bot? It's pretty easy. Let's check out the Falcoin bot. This is my premium bot. It made $117 in profits, which is 11.7%, because I assigned $1,000 and then let the compound do its work. Now, you may think almost 12% profits isn't too much. So I started this bot in mid-August. So it's about 150 days. It's about 5 months. 12% in 5 months, 2.4% per month. That's pretty good, but it's not like, damn, 2.4%. You know what I mean? But let's check out the Falcoin chart within this time. So here we are on CoinMarketCap, checking out Falcoin from 17th of August to today. We see we started at more than $8.30, actually at $8.63 on August 17th, and we are now trading at $5.48. Guys, that's almost 40% in price drop. That's insane. And we made 12% profit. During Falcoin, dropped 40%. As a matter of fact, it went down to $3 at one point, so almost 67% price drop. And back in the dashboard, we see that actually it just closed the trade and started a new one 4 minutes ago. So there's no floating loss. All of those $117 are clear profits. Again, while the market dropped 40%. So we're trending more than 50% above market, completely passive. I have nothing to do with it. I just create the bot and let it do its job. I'm really looking for a safe and stable stream of income, and I think I'm very positive that Eazybot is exactly this. And I'm happy that I found it that early. The company launched in March and April 2022. So just 2 months prior to when I was starting the journey with the company. For Q1 2023, they've already planned out 5 live events, 4 in the US and 1 in Dubai. The Dubai event is going to be hosted in March, and this will actually be the anniversary event for Eazybot. So the first anniversary, it's a big event. You can book tickets to fly over, and I think it's going to be a massive, fun event. You can meet all the executive team members there, CEO, and I'm very looking forward to this day. Now let's check out one more coin and check out Aave. Aave made $393.15. This is my OG bot. This is the first bot I started on June 27th. So we made a little bit more than 30%, 30.5% on this bot. And we can check out the Aave price chart again on CoinMarketCap, and we see we had a lot of up and down movement. We started with a little bearish downtrend, went down 20%, then had an amazing uptrend, gained more than 100% in about 1.5 months on this coin. And from there on, we had a little ups and downs. Obviously, FTX crash hit every single coin. And the last 2 weeks, the crypto market recovered, so Aave went up to $88.12. Our journey started at $68.06. So let's see if Eazybot outperformed Aave as well. So we take into consideration that we made 30.5% in clear profit, no floating loss attached. Also, Aave just closed the trade. So let's start at $68.60 and add 30.5% to it. Then we get a coin price of 89.52%. So this is a little bit above the Avecoin itself, which means Eazybot also outperformed Aave. But I would consider this as a tie because there's basically no difference at all. All in all, with my experience in the last 7 months, my Eazybot portfolio outperformed the market itself by more than 20% in profit. I'm up more than 25% and the market is up about 5% in the same time. Again, amazing results, and also a big reason why I think my $20,000 investment here is pretty safe for the risk management. So obviously, every time you want to make a big chunk amount of profits, there is risks involved. Please keep that in mind. If you want to make 20, 30, 40% a year or even more, there will be risks involved. But scrolling through my bots, I know that every single bot of mine opens and closes trades every single day. And when we see the last 7 days, we made $245.69 in trading profit. In the last 30 days, we're now at $573. Very good results. I'm very happy with that. And again, if you want to check out the bot itself, the links will be down below in the description to Eazybot and Binance if you want to use Binance as your exchange. You need about $600 per bot using Binance or $300 per bot using KuCoin. In case of registration, I will immediately contact you, sending out all the details to it. You can obviously get in touch with me through every single way possible: WhatsApp, comments, mail, Telegram, so on and so forth. All of this will be down below in the description. And again, amazing results for me. I'm now in with $20,000. That's a really big part of my investment portfolio. And I'm very happy going forward seeing the results day in, day out. Until then, see you guys. Bye-bye.